number 6 of the same exercise, you have to insert 7 rational numbers between minus 3 by 7 and minus 2 divided by 5. So we will be doing this like the previous question. First you have to take the LCM of the denominators 7 and 5, which is 35. So for the first fraction you have to multiply with 5 because 7 5 is 35, and for the second fraction you have to multiply with 7 because 5 7 is 35. Now there is no rational numbers between minus 15 and minus 14. So what you can do is you can multiply with another number 8 on both the numerator and the denominator. So multiplying with 8, so this fraction will become minus 120 divided by 280, and this fraction will become minus 112 divided by 280. So now the numbers between minus 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 5 are these numbers. Now if you cancel this, 5 3 is 15, 5 7 is 35, you will get the same fraction. If you cancel this, 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35, you will get the same thing. So these two are same as the questions that is given in the textbook. So the rational numbers between minus 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 5 will be the numbers between them, which are this. Number 7a, you have to add these two rational numbers, minus 3 by 11 and 5 by 11. So the LCM of the denominators is 11. So 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1 divided by 11, which will give you 7 by 11. Question number C, the LCM of the denominator 23 and 23 is 23. So minus 18 into 1 plus 5 into 1 divided by 23, which will give you minus 13 divided by 23. Different sign you have to add, you have to subtract. They have different sign, you have to subtract. So it will be, and taking the sign of the bigger number, minus 13 divided by 23. Number 8a. In number 8a, you have to add the two given rational numbers, 2 by 5 and 4 by 3. Now these two rational numbers are unlike rational numbers. We have to make them like rational numbers, which we can do by taking the LCM, which is 15, the LCM of the denominator 5 and 3, which is 15. Now for the first fraction you have to multiply with 3 because 3 5 is 15, and for the second fraction you have to multiply with 5 because 5 3 is 15. So which will give you 6 divided by 15 and 20 divided by 15. Now these are like rational number, we can add them. The LCM will be again 15 of the denominator. So 6 plus 20 will give you 26 divided by 15. Number H. Similarly, you have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. First you have to make them like rational numbers. Taking the LCM, after that the two fraction will change to minus 10 divided by 15 and minus 36 divided by 15. So now these two are like rational number, we can add them. So minus 10 divided by 15 plus, we have a minus here, minus 36 divided by 15. Plus into minus will give you minus, so minus 36 divided by 15. So same sign you have to add. So minus 10 minus 36 will give you minus 46 divided by 15. Same sign you have to add, different sign you have to subtract. Number 9, the additive inverse. Additive inverse means the opposite sign. If the question is minus, the answer will be in plus. So the additive inverse of minus 4 divided by 3 will be plus 4 divided by 3. Similarly, the additive inverse of plus 9 by 11 will be minus 9 by 11. Number 10a, you have to subtract 3 by 5 from 8 by 5. First you have to write 8 by 5 because you have to subtract 3 by 5. So 8 by 5 minus 3 by 5, the LCM is of the denominator is 5. So 8 minus 3 will give you 5 divided by 5, which will be 1. So the answer will be 1. Number B, the LCM is 9 of the denominator. So minus 5, now you have to subtract minus 2 divided by 9 from minus 5 divided by 9. So you have to write minus 5 by 9 first, subtract with minus 2 divided by 9. So minus into minus will give you plus. So minus 5 plus 2, different sign you have to subtract. So minus 3 divided by 9, which will give you minus 1 divided by 9 divided by 3. This should be minus 1 divided by 3. Number G, you have to subtract this from 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 you have to write first. Minus into minus will give you plus. LCM is 9. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So 6 plus 5 will give you 11 divided by 9. Number 11 and 11th, you have to find the other rational number. So let the other rational number be x. So as per question, the sum of these two rational number is given minus 4 divided by 35. So x plus the given rational number, if you add these two number, you will get minus 4 divided by 35. So x will be, you send this side, it will be minus 2 by 7. The LCM of 35 and 7 is 35. Now for the first fraction, 4 into 1, because 35 1 is 35, so 4 into 1 minus, for the second fraction 7 5 is 35, therefore 2 into 5 divided by 35, so which will give you minus 4 minus 10 divided by 35, which will give you minus 14 divided by 35. So the other number is minus 14 divided by 35. Number 12, let the other number be x. As per question, minus 4 divided by 5 minus x is equal to minus 3 divided by 7. X send it this side, it will be positive, and 3 by 5 send it this side, it will be minus 3 by 7. Now the LCM of the denominator is 35, 7 and 5. For the first fraction you have to multiply with 7, because 7 is 35, and for the second fraction 7 5 is 35. So minus 28 minus 15 divided by 35, which will give you minus 43 divided by 35. So this is the required rational number which should be subtracted. Number 15, let the required number be x. As per question, the sum of these two numbers is given 7 divided by 2. X, if you send this side, it will be plus. Now the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So for the first fraction you have to multiply with 5, because 2 5 is 10, and for the second fraction you have to multiply with 2, because 5 2 is 10, so which will give you 41 divided by 10. So this is the required rational number which should be added. Thank you for watching the video.